I am not completely sure what this road is called.
It's called Old Grafton Road.
Old Grafton Road, is it? This is a fun road. It's a little bit narrow in places, but there's quite a steep drop off down there and a steep drop off down that side too.
And lots of hairpin bends.
Lots of hairpins.
Ooh.
And another hairpin. Amazing scenery though.
The map is showing us the pins and hairpins and bends that we've been through. And then the rest of them. I'm going to throw this out the window.
Yeah, pop it out the window for a second. It does look like sea sand there. Interesting. We're not exactly anywhere near the ocean. This place is amazing. What a lucky find. Getting some good shots.
Three rivers converging here. Three systems.
Oh, I see. Yeah, so there's a bit of a stream coming in that way, with a bit of a waterfall-y kind of thing coming in.
Cascade.
Cascade, that's the word I'm looking for. And then if we swing around here, there's another one there.
Actually, there's another one, a small one.
And then to the left of that, there's another one. Alright, not a lot of light over here, but I think this is basically cheese, jalapenos, avocado, tomato, lettuce, tomato, and chipotle. Alright, so tonight we are at Man Creek, quite by accident. We left Girraween National Park this morning, and we were aiming for a free camp off of what's known as Liberation Trail. So the sign at the turnoff, it said that the the Old Grafton Road to get to Liberation Trail Free Camp was closed in like 62 kilometres, but the turn off to Liberation Trail was at like 57, 5 k's before the road was closed, apparently. So with that I will be right. And we drove for like an hour and however long it took to get down there. Beautiful countryside, like a really pretty road to drive.
Stunning. And it changes at every turn.
Yeah, like within the space of 2 or 3 minutes, the countryside, the landscape is completely different. So it wasn't a wasted drive because it was a nice drive.
Beautiful.
But we got to the point where it says road closed, and we're like, oh, and then we still had like supposedly 15 k's to get to the turnoff or something like that. And there was no local traffic only signs. There was no, we don't know why the road was closed. So anyway, we noticed there was a campground here that we drove past on the way there, and so I thought I would just turn around and come back here. We had time. What a great little find this is. So we had a bit of an adventure getting there, but or getting here, I should say, but we got there. Well, we got here.
Have another beer. Actually, I don't know if you could see it from, probably not from there, but the colour's starting to come in from the sunset. It's lavender.
It is a pink, yeah, well I was going to say pink through there, but lavender's probably more appropriate colour, seeing as I'm colourblind.
Okay.
Speaking of beer, how's your wine?
My wine is empty,
All right.
but I'm going to have to get something cooking on there shortly because it's
Okay, I better check this, I suppose.
doing its thing.
One really good thing we found about the about New South Wales National Parks is they provide these great little barbecue setups, which we tend not to see in too many Queensland national parks. Oh, look at that. That's not doing too bad. And they, a lot of them, well, we've seen it here and also at Dangar's Gorge, which is our next stop. They actually supply a bit of firewood. Let me just put this back on the tripod here. How are we looking here? Things starting to come together?
It's looking pretty bloody good.
Oh, in fact, that's happened so quickly, I haven't actually had any time to shoot any of it. Or really chat about the day. Actually, I'm feeling the temperature drop now.
I'm not.
The sun, no, you're not.
I'm all rugged up.
The sun's disappeared though. I'm feeling it. What's the time? It's only 5:15. Do you want this other stuff over here? Oh, you still got the eggs to do yet, haven't you?
Yeah, so what I'm thinking is we'll just put the bread and egg and patty on and then go and get the veggies.
Oh, I see. All right. Do you want me to hold something here?
Okay, so that one is yours.
Mm-hmm. I got it. I got them.
Oh, damn it.
Oops.
Smoke got in my eyes there.
Yes. No, from the same issue.
Okay. I'll get some water onto that in a second.
Yeah.
All right, go over and get the rest of the stuff.
All right. I need to get my egg on top of my I'll grab a fork. Or maybe I need a spoon.
Just remember these jalapenos are super hot.
Oh, are they? Right. Well, that's good. I'm not complaining about that. There's one more there. Okay, 6 jalapenos. That could be a bit spicy. We'll see how it goes.
And that is also quite spicy.
All right. Okay, so I might need a fire extinguisher a bit later.
Yeah. Oh, you don't want that much. Okay. Don't forget your lettuce. Gotta have something healthy on there.
How healthy is lettuce really?
It burns calories without doing anything.
Okay, we'll run with that. It's a fair lump
What
of a
have we
burger.
got? Oh, that looks all right.
All right.
I'm going
Well,
to.
I'm not going to eat this on camera because nobody wants to see that. This is going to be messy. All right, see ya.
I'll bring the serviettes.
Good idea.